Hello everyone, my name is Akerele Oluwasogo, popularly known as Mr. Excel. Today I'll be teaching you how to use emojis in Excel. Emojis or icons or emoticons or smiley faces, whatever you call it. So how to use it in Excel. Now everyone know about emojis, which is called icon or emoticons. So these are the small icons that we insert in a message to express our feelings, like when you're happy, love, cool, wow, scary, and angry. So more we can express events like Christmas, victory, wedding, and also objects. So since Excel 2013 and above, emoji can be added to your worksheet as a name. You can use emojis in formulas, in chart, and in slides in Excel. These are the emojis. This is what we call emojis or icons or emoticons or smiley faces. So I'm going to teach you how to use it in Excel, how to use it in our Microsoft Excel. So we are going to learn how to use it in a chart and also how to use it to create a slider, how to use it to create a slider. For example, in this report, I have the meal and I have the count for each meal. So these are my emojis that are for pizza. This is the emoji for pizza. For soft ice cream, this is the emoji. For hamburgers, this is the emojis. For French fries, this is the emojis. And hot dog, this is the emojis. So I'm going to teach you how to bring the emojis out, which we are going to use to create our chart in Excel. How to use to create our chart in Excel. So there are shortcuts that we use to create emojis in Excel. The shortcut is the window. You press window and semicolon together to create the emojis. Windows key and semicolon key to create the emojis in Excel. So you are going to press the two shortcuts together. So right now, let's quickly learn how to use the emojis to create charts in Excel. All you need to do is to press your window key and semicolon. Window semicolon. Just press the two keys together. It will display your emojis. You can see it have brought out our emojis. So we have different type of emojis. As you can see from my mouse, you can see this is most recently used, the one I used recently. So you can see the second one. This is our smiley faces and animals. You can see if I click on it, it will bring out those expressions when you are angry, when you are happy. So these are our smiley faces. Also, this for, you can see this one is for the people, whether you want to emojis or emoticons for male, for females. And we also have another one. This is for celebration and objects when you're happy to display it. And we also have for food and plant. This is where we are going. So we are going to click on food and plants. So the first food we want is a pizza. So we are going to look for emoji for pizza. For pizza. So this is the emoji for pizza. Are you seeing now the emoji for pizza? So I'm going to click on the cell where I want the emoji for pizza, and I will press my window and semicolon. It will bring it out, and I will click on the emojis, so it will display on my cell. So I will close the emojis. So I'll move to the next cell. So the next cell is soft ice cream. So I'm going to display the emoji for that by pressing my window and semicolon. So it will bring it. I will look for soft ice cream. So you can scroll down. So this is for soft ice cream. So I click on the emojis. It will display on that cell. So I'll close the emoji, move to the next cell. I'll press my windows and semicolon key. Window and semicolon. This is the shortcut I'm asking you to press. So I'll look for the third emoji, which is for hamburgers. And this is the emoji for hamburgers. So when you place your cursor on it, it will display the name. And I will click on the emoji for hamburgers. It will display on my cell. So I will close it, move to the next cell. So the next cell is French fries. So I'll press my windows and my semicolon key to look for French fries rather. So I'll look for the emoji. This is the emoji for the French fries. So I'll click on it. It will display on the cell. Close the emoji and go to the last one, which is the hot dog. I know people like food. This is the hot dog. I'll press the windows and semicolon button together. and look for the emojis for hot dog. This is the emoji for hot dog, and I'll click on it. It will display on the cell. You can see it have displayed on my cell. So I want to create my chart now. So I've used my emojis to represent the meal instead of typing the name on the cell. So all I need to do is to click anywhere on my table, and I will go to my insert tab, and I will click on my chart. Under the chart group, I click on recommended chart. When I click on recommended chart, so it will display the chart for me. So if I don't want this, I'll click on all chart and click on column chart. So I'll click on OK. So I click on OK. So the chart will be displayed here. So let me reduce the size of the chart. So I have my chart here with the emojis. So what I need to do is to remove the green lines. I'll click on the plus sign beside the chart, and I will check my green lines. And I also display the data label. You can see now. So you can see for the meals, I've used my emojis to display my chart instead of writing the name in text. That's how to use emojis to create charts in Excel. So secondly, we want to use emoji to create a slider. Quickly, I have the name of my employee, I have the agenda, the department, the status, and the salary. So I want to use emoji as gender instead of writing man, woman, or male or female. So let me change to this one to male. I'm changing this one to male, this one to female. So I'm going to use emoji to display that. So I'll click on the cell where I want to place the emoji, and I press my Windows semicolon. It will display the emoji dialog box. So I'll go to people. You can see people. So I'll look for, this is for female. So if I'm looking for male, man, I'll click on this. It will display for this as man. So I will close the emoji, go to the next cell, and look. So I want to display for woman. For female, I'll press the window and semicolon to display for female. So all I need to do is to click here to display for female, and I'll close the emoticon dialog box. So I'm going to align these two so that I can create everything for the others by dragging down my autofill handle. You can see now. So I've created my gender using emojis. So what I need to do now, I want to add a slider to filter based on gender. So I'll click anywhere within my table, and I'll press Ctrl T. When I press Ctrl T is the shortcut to create a table in Excel, and I will click on OK. So it has created a table for me. So when you look up, you will see a tool that will be added to your tab ribbons, which is called Table Tools. Under the Table Tools, you click on Design, and you click on a button called Insert Slider. So click on the slider, and what our slider do you need? You click on Gender, and you click on OK from the slider. So it will create a slider for you based on gender. So reduce the size of the sliders. When you reduce the size of the slider, when you come here, you see a slider tools where you can edit your sliders. So my slider is a 1 column slider, so I want it to be the 2 column slider. You can see it's a 2. I've made it to be 2 column slider. So I reduce the size of the slider. So now if I want to know, if I want to filter by male, I'll click on my slider. You can see when I click on it, it will show me the number of male. If I want to see the number of female, I'll click on my slider. It will also display the number of female. You can see it and filter it out for me. So that's how to use emojis to create sliders in Excel, and also to create charts in Excel. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Akerele Oluwasogo. Remember, you can register for my Microsoft Excel training.